Next system we're going to talk about is a wood rain screen system that uses furring strips for spacers. Now, a 3/4 inch furring strip, when you put the cladding over it, will create a perfect rain screen gap between these furring strips to allow moisture to, any bulk moisture that might possibly get in to drain out, and any moisture from inside is allowed to pass through as well. We'll tell you that a 3/4 inch rain screen gap is probably the ideal. 3/4 inch furring strip will automatically set a 3/4 inch rain screen gap for you when you install. Here's an example right here. And as you can see, a 3/4 inch rain screen gap is created between these furring strips. Now, the benefit of a system like a furring strip installation is it does allow for more ventilation in the rain screen cavity. The downside is that you've got all the labor and expense of installing furring strips. Another option is the Climate-Shield wood rain screen system. It requires no furring strips whatsoever, and the 3/4 inch rain screen cavity creates a perfect method for any humidity that passes from inside the building or any moisture that's behind the siding to vacate and ventilate. So the siding installs very quickly in a horizontal installation, and the cladding is milled so that it fits beautifully into the rain screen clips. Then the rain screen clips install on top, and 2 screws in the Climate-Shield CS2 system is in place. The Climate-Shield system is very versatile, and you don't have to just install siding horizontally. Vertical siding designs are very popular nowadays, and the Climate-Shield rain screen system can be installed vertically very easily. So the pros of the Climate-Shield system are it allows a highly effective, high-performance rain screen without the use of furring strips. It leaves the ideal 3/4 inch rain screen gap behind the siding, and everything's good. Thank you.